Today's video will be a little different. Today I will share you how I made my short video
Yes,
viral.
you heard me right.
I'm very new in YouTube, but by profession I'm a public speaker. So when I started uploading my videos and shorts in YouTube, I was a little bit confused because at first they're getting like 5 to 10 views. Even right now in my channel, most of my long videos get maximum 90 views. So what parameters I changed in this short video. You can see my other short videos. Without seeing the full video, you can easily tell that my other shorts have much more qualityful content and interesting topic. Why this one? Well, I have applied some hidden tricks on this one as well as other shorts. By time they will also get top views. So let me share you the hidden tricks. At first, make a target. If you have a new channel, that it will be easy for you. Upload 10 short videos in 5 days and wait 3 to 5 days and do nothing. YouTube algorithm will do the magic. Now, after 3 to 5 days, analyze which short video got the highest view. Well, in that case, you can select a random video, but if you select the highest one, that means the work is like 60 to 70% done already. You will just boost up the process. If you pick the lower one, in that case, you need to do a lot of work. Even the effort might not work if the content is not that to the mark. So always keep trust on YouTube algorithm. Now from the studio page, select inspiration and find out the similar topics searched by the user, or just paste the video title and click on get suggestions. Now YouTube will show you some similar videos. Open one of the video. Now copy the keywords from that video and change the title as suggested. Boom, you are done. Now you will see the reflection in 1 to 3 days. You need to repeat the process until you get the right title and right hashtag for your video. When the right title and tags are there, you will see the number of views will increase. You can subscribe my channel to get tips like this one. And thanks like for this watching. Video. See you in the next one.